If you want to personalize your iPhone and change the app icon color, then I'm going to show you how to do just that. Apple gave us an option to change the tint of the app icons, and that will essentially change the color of every single icon. So this feature is available with the iOS 18 software update. So if you don't have this version of iOS, you will have to update your iPhone in order to be able to change the app icon color. So from the home screen, long press with your finger anywhere on the screen until the icons start shaking. You'll then see this little edit option, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. So tap on it, and then you'll get three different options. Our job is to tap on Customize, and then you'll get this menu pop over the screen where you'll be able to change your app icons to dark mode, make them bigger, and so on. But we'll select this option, which is called Tinted, which will then give us two color sliders, which we can use to change the color of the app. Icons. The top slider will change the color of the icon, and the bottom one will change the intensity of that color when you're finished. And you had selected a color, just tap on the home screen and your changes will be saved.